fam, MW over here. Welcome back into my altcoin, top altcoins that I'm eyeing to buy, to trade. So we're gonna dive in. In altcoins, in the crypto market, things keep moving. So we're going from one coin to another coin and another coin and another coin. So there are also so many altcoins out there. So it's very hard to keep track on where to buy, where to sell, when to flip. So we've got our ETH and our Polkadot ecosystem coins. So that's something that I've already shared. So those are still valid and I'm still waiting to get filled even more, maybe the next drop. But today I'm going to show you guys also some other coins that I'm eyeing to trade, buy, etc, etc. So first of all, push on the like if you like this vid, please. I've got so many views and not a lot of likes. If you don't like this content, don't push on the like, but also don't watch these vids. So I did yesterday the vid of the 500k that the team made past 2 months trading in the free private group. The pop-up will pop up now, so you can watch that vid and see how we did it. I'm getting a lot of DMs about the M-Multiplier indicator, and I understand why people are DMing me about that. Guys, the M-Multiplier indicator, you see it. This is it. Let me put it on. This is the M-Multiplier indicator. There are a lot of retailers sending me DMs in TG from the private group that are trading this based on the 15-minute time chart, just like I made a trading course vid, and those P&Ls are really sick P&Ls. There are a lot of people that are ignorant and they maybe know it can be true, they can be making money based on an indicator. Well, if you don't try it, you'll never know it. People are making a lot of money and defending their capital at the same time. A lot of members are over there. It's really mind-blowing. So for the ones that are DMing me about this M-Multiplier indicator, I was offering it for free for like a year, 2 years. That's done now. I cannot share it because I can't share it on X. If you want the free M-Multiplier indicator, it's free, but you have to be a member of the private retail group. So you have to be trading on weeks and on maxi. And if you trade over there, send me your ID number and I will add you to the private group where you get trading course vids, where you get trade setups, where you get a lot of alpha shared, and also the M-Multiplier indicator. So the links are below, weeks or maxi, if you're active trading over there, especially weeks, by the way, because I'm very bullish on weeks. And I'm going to show some gems, and we're also closing in on weeks. It's a matter of weeks or a couple of months and the native token will get released, from which I'm super bullish on. So let me jump right back. ORN protocol, ORN. This guy, I shared it today on Twitter. This coin is in my top 20 coins, guys. Top 20 coins. I think that this coin will do really great. There's a bad noise over there. One moment, let me remove that noise. These guys like to make noise when I'm making a vid. It's always the same. So ORN, guys, ORN. I'm pretty bullish on ORN. So it's in my top 20. We made this nice. Let me remove this, by the way. This was a why not coin. Let me remove this. Look at this, guys. ORN, we were at this accumulation zone over here, accumulate, and then this huge pump up. So am I going to follow this? No, I'm not. Did I buy in here? No, I did not. So for me, what I do always, I prepare myself. And that's how I make the biggest gains. A lot of retailers, they like to FOMO in and buy in at higher levels, at resistance levels. That's what uneducated retailers like to do. I like to buy on either an accumulation zone, or I like to buy in on a retest of the breakout. So just like here, we broke out. You look at this, we broke the indicator. Look how, for the people that don't know this indicator, this indicator is magic, guys. Worked like 2 years to create it. Look, broke up, support, support, up, support, 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 boom. So what I now want to see, this accumulation zone, so this breakout of this zone over here, this breakout, because this was the breakout of this pattern over here, boom, I want it to come back to this regions over here. So I'm going to put on an alarm together with you guys, because yesterday there was someone on Twitter. He told me, wait a minute, you made sick gains on Glmr, but you said that you were not buying Glmr until Bitcoin would dump. I don't know, but I said in a vid a day before you shared that Bitcoin needs to make a dump. Bitcoin dumped by 10k, a 10k candle. Wasn't that enough for you? Glmr dumped to 35 cents. Wasn't that enough for you? So that's when we bought in. And that's when we made those sick P&Ls that you're seeing on Glmr, 700% at this moment. So if you don't watch the vid, you will miss all the alpha. You will miss when we're buying. If you're not in a private, you're also not knowing when we're buying. So I cannot be on X and tell you, wait a minute, I'm going to buy some Glmr here. On X, I post the most important stuff, and I made a vid for you to check where I'm buying, where the team is buying. And if you don't watch that vid and just go on X, tell me, well, you didn't say that you were buying. So that's false info you're writing over there. So first, check my vids, watch my vids, and then start commenting. But it's no problem, it's no problem. So this breakout, I want a retest. So everything around $1 until the 80 cents over here, this break over here, I will be buying some ORN. ORN, I'm bullish on ORN, and let's just hope that Bitcoin might dump and we get some buying opportunities over here. If we will not get a buy opportunity, this thing, by the way, already is retesting these levels over here. As you can see, you see this? This is resistance. This is how you can see resistance. It's this box over here. It's this box over here. And now we are testing this one. So for the traders out there, especially the ones from the private, if this thing breaks through, 50-minute indicator, I ride this thing. Yes. So private members, if this thing breaks up, let me put also an alarm over here, like this. If this thing breaks up, 50-minute indicator, jump in, alright, because the next level is 4.7. That's a massive. So this could be a very, very nice trade. So keep an eye on ORN, guys. ORN, keep an eye on it. Put your alarms so you know it. Okay, let's go to the next mask. And let me put it on a daily like this. So mask, guys, mask. I had my buy orders over here. It didn't get there. That happens. That happens. Am I going to cry like a baby about it? No. You know why? There are 1,000 other opportunities out there to take them. So if I'll get hit, I get hit. If I don't get hit, well, so be it. So let me remove the indicator. This thing, it was a beautiful break over here. FOMO, a lot of volume also. So for me also this coin is the same. Let me put on the indicator. If this thing will, you see how beautiful it went below the indicator on the daily, and then it closed above it. When it closed above it, boom, off she went. So for now, the regions that I will be eyeing for mask is this one, the 200 EMA. So this region over here. Let me make it white so you guys can see it better. So this is something that I'm looking for at this moment. Let me hide this one up. That we'll see something like this happening. Something like it. Come here, find some liquidity over here, some support, and then from here on we go on to the next. So this is about mask, and guys, there is a lot going on in crypto, and these payment coins. I'm gonna show another one which I'm maybe even more bullish on. I will show it in a moment. But these payment coins, I think that if crypto will really start taking over the world, these payment coins will do great. And look at this, guys. Mask is really, it has got a lot of bullish upside. So this is 14 bucks worth for. This is a 3x, an easy 3x for Mask over here. So I'm bullish on Mask. So let me go to the next one. Where was the next one? I wanted to show you guys the next, yeah, here it is. I also shared it on X today. Guys, I'm very bullish on this one. This is also a payment coin. Guys, I'm bullish on this one. And you know, when I'm bullish on some coin, you know what happened in the past weeks from the vids that I shared when I'm bullish on some coin? Just remember Coti, remember Jasmine. So I'm bullish on this one, guys. I'm bullish on ASH even more than Mask, and also this one has got a lower market cap, so there's a lot more to, and it's not an old dog. So team, I'm gonna talk to the team now. Listen, guys, this thing, it broke up. As you can see, it broke up above this line over here, but it's like a fake out. We had a close, but even though we're not seeing that strong move up, we're not. So this is the same. If we make another high over here, put on the alarm, put on your indicator on the 50 minutes, and make sure to trade this one, because the next level over here is 0.06. So this is the same. You can ride and make a lot of money over here. This is, by the way, also another very important resistance level over here. So be careful of the 50 cent. But you've got the indicator. The indicator will show you the way. The indicator shows you the way, shows you when to take profits, shows you when to get in, shows you when to get out. It's very simple. The indicator does all the work for us. So over here now, let me put it on the daily. So for me, this box over here, so everything between 0.26 and 0.20, this is a buy for me. If it goes lowest to test this trend line over here, no problem, I will DCA buy. So everything from this box and lower, I will be buying. Okay, don't tell me I didn't tell you. I'm telling you now, I will be buying. I am buying. And well, the lower it goes, the more I buy. So if Bitcoin decides to dump even more, listen, these coins are at bottom formations. So everything over here from, not at this zone, by the way, but as long as it holds this one, I will be a buyer. I will be a big buyer over here. Buy. So I'm very bullish on this one, guys. Keep in mind, ASH, keep it in mind. Let me go to the next one. This is in my opinion, an AI related coin, RLC. It already made a nice pump up. But again, these coins that pump up, most of the times they have some good things going on. So there are solid coins, they have communities, and there are buys over here. So why am I saying this? RLC, it's the same. I'm not going to follow this FOMO. I'm not going to follow it. It's that easy. So what I do is I put on my alarm over here. Let's get it back on the retest. So accumulation, pop, and off she went. So if it comes back, retest this zones over here at the $2, that's when I'll be interested in buying it. And if it doesn't hit, well, then it don't hit. Then I'm going to trade another coin. You have to see it like this. You've got a portfolio of 50K, and well, you have like 20, 30, 40 coins you want to buy, and from those 30, 40 coins, only 20 hit, Well, use that 50k for those 20. Don't, well, never go all in, by the way, but I'm just giving you an example to understand this. So don't follow FOMO. You can only follow FOMO using the indicator trading on low time frames. That's when you're just going to ride. Just like there was one of the retail fan members on the private. He sent me a DM with a P&L of 300%. He told me, I'm sorry MB, I didn't repost your post because I was busy on the 5-minute and 15-minute time frame riding the indicator, and he had like on Myro, I think it was on Myro, the meme coin, and I'm making like 200-300%. You know, guys, I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you guys. You know why? Because you guys are not like 99% of the retailers out there that are just following FOMO. Oh, let's just buy something. Oh, because this guy told us that it's going to moon, we just bought it and we're just waiting. If we get wrecked, well, we'll get wrecked and we're gonna cry like babies. And if we make money, well, then we make money. No, that's not what we do. That's not what we do. So I'm so freaking proud of you guys, and I hope that you guys will all be financially independent this year. This year. So not next year, this year. So maybe in 2 months, 3 months. You see, the team made 500k with 50k in 2 months, and they did it very conservative. So they were taking profits at every level, not risking their money, not risking any trade. They focused only on not losing any trade. They made 500k with 50k. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. So for RLC, this is the zone that I'm eyeing over here. So everything $2 to the 150, I will be a buyer. So you heard me right. This is also my top 20 coins, by the way, guys. So I will be a buyer. Let's go to the next. What is the next? The next, I wanted to talk a bit about Flux. As you guys know, I was sharing Flux at over here, at the 50 cents, 48 cents. We bought some nice bags over here. Let me put on the indicator. Yeah, it was here. It was over here. So look at this indicator. For the people that are watching and don't owning this indicator, look at it. Break up, retest, retest, and over here was when I was sharing Flux and when it was holding support. Support, 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 boom. It's on many charts like this. This indicator, anyone that is not using this indicator, even if it's on smaller time frames, or it's for trading, or it's for swing trades, or it's for long-term investments, guys, you need this indicator. So look at this, boom, boom, boom. So over here, the 48 cents was hit. I don't know where it was hit. It was over here. Or was it? No, it was over here. Over here. This one was it. So over here it was hit, and well, you made more than 2 times your money. And you guys know Flux is my #1 altcoin from which I'm bullish on. So if by some miracle, this thing decides to come reach the indicator again, and it comes perfectly with this liquidation zones over here, I will be buying a lot more Flux. I already have a bag of Flux, so for the disclaimer, I have Flux, but Flux, guys, Flux, if this thing comes back to retest this liquidity again, Flux is, I'm super bullish on Flux. I don't know what to say more about it. So if we can get back to the 60, 65, I will add to my bags. I'm very bullish on Flux, and there's not a lot more that I can say about it. Let me check the Flux. As you guys can see, we're retesting at this moment. Let me put on an alarm over here. We're retesting the indicator on the Bitcoin. So if this thing starts ramping up, Flux, the chance that we will get here will be very small. I think that Flux will just go and moon. I think that the next levels, by the way, guys, to check is this, the $2. Flux, it's not for nothing. It's my #1 coin. So just that you guys know. Okay, so let me go to the next, from which I'm also super bullish on. Coti. Guys, Coti. I was sharing Coti when it was at, what was it, 76 million market cap. It's now at, it's now at almost, it was something like 3 something. Coti, when I shared it, where was it? It was over here when I shared it. Let me put it on the daily. Where did I share it? I shared Coti, I think it was, yeah, it was over here somewhere. Over here somewhere. This is where I shared Coti. Buy Coti. 70s. If you want to risk your money, buy Coti. I've said it so many times, just buy Coti. And I think that Coti, this is just the beginning. This is nothing, this rise. This is nothing. I think that Coti will go much higher. So for now, please Coti, I'm saying come back to the trend line. Please Coti, you see how many alarms I've set over here? So you guys can understand how bullish I am on Coti. I'm super bullish on Coti. Coti, please come back. Come back to the 14 cents. We hit it. I get filled here, by the way. Nice gains on the bounce, but I wanted to come back again to confirm this liquidity level, this support level over here with this trend line. Guys, I'm super bullish on Coti. It's just what I'm super bullish on. I was super bullish on Coti over here, and this was, you know, guys, I know many are following a lot of YouTubers, all the shows, all the game boxes, all the showmasters out there. Keep following those guys. I'm showing you where the money is. If you watch my Coti vid, this was a 200% in like 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It's madness. It's madness. So this was really a nice drop, guys. This was really a nice buying opportunity. But no matter what, we are at this channel at this moment now, and look at it. We need to come back. If we can come back and hit the top, the bottom of this channel, it comes together with this trend line, it comes together with this liquidity box. So everything, guys, put on your alarm. Let me put another one over here. So everything from the 15 to the 12 cents, if we can get back over here and this thing will go, I think that this thing will just break over here and just go bananas. Guys, I'm bullish on Coti. Remember what I'm saying now. I'm bullish on Coti. So let me go. What do we have more? Yes, I wanted to show you guys this one, Azero. Azero is also one that I'm very bullish on. It's let me check the market cap for you guys one moment. Azero, let me see. F0. What's the market cap on this one? This one is come on. It's a 500 million market cap, guys. This thing is super undervalued. 500 million. I think that this thing will go bananas. So it's very simple over here. Just come back to this liquidity level. I'll put my alarm over here and I'll scoop some Azero. So let me go to the next one. Also in my top 20 coins, guys. Ankr. I've been bullish on Ankr for a very long time. I'm very super bullish on Ankr. So guys, this thing, I think I've got a small bag. I'm not for sure. Maybe I've got a small bag of Ankr bought in, maybe over here or here. I got hit. I don't know. I'm not for sure. I have to check it. I don't know if I ever got a bag. But guys, Ankr. It's very simple. Ankr. If this thing drops down, comes back over here, we had this drop over here. Let me put on the indicator. Let me see how it looks. Yeah, it retested the indicator perfectly, as you guys can see on the drop, and boom, so strong this bounce. It's really so strong. So Ankr, guys, Ankr. If it comes back 35 cents. Let me see on the weekly. Let me see in the weekly how it's looking. Yes, because we broke above, we closed above the 200 EMA. Also, guys, this is bullish. We've got this resistance over here. Please come back, and let us scoop some Ankr. I want to scoop some Ankr, guys. I just want to scoop some Ankr. Please come back to these regions over here so we can scoop some. So everything around 36, 35, 0.30. Guys, everything in this regions over here is a buy for me. Everything. If it goes lower, I'll just hold that thing and just wait for it. So that's about that. Let me see. I had another altcoin that I wanted to show you guys. Where is it? 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 Yes. What was it? No, it was not this one. I wanted to show you guys another one. Not this one. Where is it? Where are you? Yes, here it is. Celo, guys. Celo. I was sharing Celo. It was in my top. It's in my top 10 coins. Where was it? It was around here when I told you guys Celo. I'm super bullish on Celo. It was at the 50 cents when I shared the vid. Look where it is now. It's a 150%. So this thing, guys, Celo, I'm super. It's in my top 10 coins. So we've got some resistance over here, and well, just please come back. Just please come back. So we had this drop. It was a massive drop, 83 cents. It would be a nice scoop. Well, I didn't buy in, so I missed that one, unfortunately. But guys, I'm so bullish on. So if it comes back, I would like this to, 70 cents, guys, 75 cents. That's where I'll be very happy with Celo. If it would come back into this box over here, I want the spike over here at from 85 to 70 cents. I want it to come back. Come back, please come back over here. Let us buy some Celo. Please give us the opportunity to buy some Celo at these regions over here. I'm super bullish on Celo, guys. So Celo. Let me go to Glmr, because a lot of people, well, Glmr, for the guys that scooped this 40 cents over here, 40 cents to the, guys, the indicator, look at it. It dumped down, touched on the daily the 200 EMA. Look how beautiful, guys. Guys, if you don't have this indicator, you really are, we say in Dutch, je bent een dief van je eigen portemonnee. Je bent een dief van je eigen portemonnee. To translate it, you're a thief of your own wallet. You're a thief of your own money. You're just ignorant and you're not watching my vids and you're not doing whatever to make the financial life-changing money. Look at this, guys. I've been telling you, always have buy orders. Put on the indicator on the weekly and on the daily, and put those buy orders on the indicator. You'll never know when we get a dump, and when we get a dump, you will find liquidity and they will pump it up again. So this is the 700% that we've been seeing. So for now, how am I eyeing Glmr? Glmr, as you guys know, I'm super bullish on Glmr. I think it will be one of the best coins for this next bull cycle. One of the most undervalued coins out there. So over now, everything, if it comes back to the 40 cents, it's the same. 40 to the 35, just I will be buying more and more Glmr. And for the guys that really recognize alpha, you recognize alpha, you know what alpha is. Yesterday, exactly over here, I shared start taking profits. When I shared the 700% P&L, green P&L, start taking profits. And well, since I shared that, Glmr has been coming down slowly. So guys, keep an eye on my X posts. Keep an eye on when I share something. Maybe it would have gone even more up, but it's about the thesis, the probabilities. That's why I said take a big chunk out and take profits on Glmr. So Glmr is very simple. Everything 40 cents and lower, just buying. Okay, let me go to another one for my top 10 coins. I shared it. I said it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Ocean. We were talking about Ocean over here. 40 cents regions. Where are we? This was a 3x. Just go back and watch my top 10 vids. It's all there. It's all there. Look at this. Boom. it's going bananas. It's 3x. It was an easy 3x in Ocean. So Ocean, where am I eyeing? What is Ocean doing? Where are you going? Come on, look, this was it. 70 million, 270 million market cap when I shared it. How much is it now? Let me check for you guys. One moment. Ocean. I said it. I said it. Buy Ocean. Ocean is bullish. Ocean. 607. That's a 3x. 6. Now you want to buy? So Ocean, guys, let me put on the indicator. Let me put on the indicator over here, guys. So everything on 50 cents again or lower, I will be buying Ocean. So I'm not going to chase it over here. I've got made nice gains on Ocean, but I'm not going to buy Ocean. So if this thing comes back, I will be buying some Ocean. Everything from this regions over here. So this is a huge drop, by the way, guys. So the chance that we will get hit is not very high, but I don't care. I will buy another coin. I'm not going to follow this one. This one needs to come back. So let me put on my alarm over here. Over here. This is when I will be scooping some Ocean at the 60 cents level. So that's about Ocean. GRT, I also shared this one, also made nice gains, so I'm not going to do. I think it's enough. I think that it's enough. By the way, guys, if there is some altcoin that is not in my top 10 or top 20 and you're very bullish on, tell me in the comments below, show it to me. If you want to join the private, Weeks is your way to go. I'm very bullish on Weeks. The Weeks, what was it? WXTM was the coin called. It's almost coming, so you don't want to miss out on that one. Or the max, or you have to join us with using the Maxi link. Send me in DM, and then you can get access to this indicator and a lot of trade setups and a lot of alpha trading course vids. So guys, by the way, I will be sharing a lot of altcoin charts on X. So a lot of buy opportunities, etc., because there are a lot of people. I will keep sharing a lot of altcoins over there. For the exclusive Weeks group, I'm going to share a lot of risky trading setups today and tomorrow. So there will be a lot of trades for the coins on Weeks. So I'm going to focus a bit on that. And for the Maxi Weeks group, if there is an opportunity coming by, I will be sharing it. Please push on that like, share the vid, like it on X, repost it on X. That's the only way that you can help me and make me go work even harder. So have a nice one, guys, and bye-bye.